but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy, but
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel RF Ride. Today we are talking about Scania V8 truck. The Scania V8 truck 2025 is a masterpiece of engineering designed to cater to both performance enthusiasts and those seeking reliability in a modern truck. Built with a robust V8 engine, it delivers exceptional power, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks, off-road adventures, and everyday driving. The engine's advanced design offers an impressive balance between horsepower and torque, ensuring smooth performance even under demanding conditions. Paired with an advanced transmission system, the Scania V8 truck provides seamless gear shifts and enhanced fuel efficiency, setting new benchmarks for trucks in its category. This truck is not just about power, it is also about innovation. The exterior design combines ruggedness with modern aesthetics, featuring a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours that enhance performance and fuel economy. The body is built with lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring longevity and resistance to harsh environments. The enhanced suspension system provides a smooth ride even on the toughest terrains, making it ideal for those who love exploring the outdoors or tackling challenging work sites. The interior of the Scania V8 truck 2025 is equally impressive. It offers a spacious cabin with premium materials and ergonomic design, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. State-of-the-art technology features include a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, voice recognition, and GPS navigation. The sound system provides an immersive audio experience, while advanced climate control ensures comfort in all weather conditions. Safety features are top-notch, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for better visibility. This truck is designed to meet the demands of modern-day users. Its towing capacity is remarkable, capable of handling heavy trailers and equipment with ease. The bed is equipped with smart storage solutions, tie-down points, and a power outlet for added convenience. Fuel efficiency has been optimized through the use of hybrid technology, making it both powerful and environmentally friendly. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for various road conditions. The Scania V8 truck 2025 represents a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. While retaining the toughness and durability that trucks are known for, it incorporates futuristic elements that make it a standout in its segment. The combination of cutting-edge features, reliability, and outstanding performance makes it a game-changer for truck enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on the latest automotive reviews, specs, and features, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of car enthusiasts.